Good morning class 30 students. Today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 12, and the name of the chapter is verbs. So students, in this chapter we will learn about what are verbs. Let's start. Read these sentences. The mangoes are sure. Preeti and I are good friends. I am a doctor. Mother is tired. The words am, is and are tell us that people or things are something. They do not express an action, they merely tell us what people or things are. They are verbs. So students, in these above sentences, some words are highlighted like are, am, is. These highlighted words are not expressing any action. They are not expressing any action. They just tell us what people or things are. For example, these are mangoes. So this verb is telling that these are mangoes. This word is telling about the people, that is Preeti, and this word is telling about the person, that is I, is telling about the person, that is mother. So these all words are called verbs. Read these sentences. Mum packs my lunch every morning. Father drives to work every day. Deepti and Mohan play football in the park every evening. The verbs packs, drives and play are action words. They talk about actions. Action words are also called verbs. So students, in this sentence some words are also highlighted, that is packs, drives, play. Now here these words are telling or showing the action of the person that doing. So these words are called action words, or we can say verbs. Packs, drives, play. Turn your page. Read these sentences. First one, Tuffy has a bone in his mouth. I have a big pencil box. Gayatri has a pain in her tooth. Diya had her birthday yesterday. The words has, have, had tell us what Tuffy, I, Gayatri and Diya have. These are verbs too. Students, in these sentences, the person that is first in the read the first one sentence. Tuffy has a bone in his mouth. So what the Tuffy has in his mouth, that is a bone. So it means Tuffy possesses a bone. I have a big pencil box. Means I possess a big pencil box. Have is showing that what I have. Same, Gayatri has a pain in her tooth. Diya had her birthday yesterday. So these words, that is have, has, had, tell us what the persons possess. These all words are called verbs too. A verb is a word that tell us what someone or something is, what someone or something does and what someone or something has. So it means verb, it's not only mean that it tells about the action, it also tell about the someone or something is, what the person or what the thing is. It also tells what the people or animals does, and what someone or something has, means what they possess. So all these words which tells all these things are called verb. Note, read the following sentences. Simi is sleeping. Shama and I were playing. Mum will be returning from Aunt Nisha's house tomorrow. In these sentences, the verbs have been highlighted. Here we see that verbs can be made with more than one word. Sometimes a verb is one word long, sometimes it is made of two words and sometimes of three. So students, in these sentences, the highlighted words are is sleeping, were playing, will be returning. In the previous sentences, we have read that is, were are the verbs. Now, sleeping and playing is also a verb. So students, in these sentences, both these words are verb. Is telling that what the person is doing right now. So Simi is sleeping. Sama and I were playing. The verb is were playing. So this verb is telling that what the Shama and I doing. They were playing. In these sentences, the verbs have been highlighted here. we see that verbs can be made with more than one word. So students, we can make the verb with more than one word. For example, is sleeping, verb playing. Sometimes a verb is one word long. For example, that I have a pen. In this sentence, have is a verb. And sometimes it is made of two words, like is the same example, Simi sleeping, or we can say Radha is dancing. So the verb in the sentence become is dancing. So a verb can be of one word or it can be of two words or more than two words also, means three words. So students, revise this chapter once again. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.